Here is everything I learned today as a software engineer trying to learn machine learning. Machine learning is the field of study that gives computers the ability to learn without explicitly being programmed. Two different ways to teach a computer are supervised learning and unsupervised learning. In supervised learning, we are given a dataset and already know what our correct output should look like. In this type of learning, problems can be categorized into regression and classification problems. In a regression problem, we are trying to predict results within a continuous output, for example, predicting the price of a house based on its size. In a classification problem, we are trying to predict results in a discrete output, for example, given a picture of some animal, determining if it's a dog or not a dog. In unsupervised learning, we're given a dataset and we don't know what our correct output should look like. Instead of having labeled examples to learn from, the algorithm explores the data on its own, identifying patterns, relationships, or clusters without guidance. For example, given a large collection of articles, using this type of learning, we can analyze text and automatically group similar articles together, revealing patterns or maybe themes without any predefined labels. This is it for day 1. I hope you liked it and make sure to subscribe to follow my journey.